In this week's Fresh Produce Market Overview, we discuss the latest price movements with potato prices currently trading 23% lower than a year ago, while lower prices are mostly expected this week on the markets. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce Market Overview. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook, where we look at the latest price trends and news in the fresh produce markets of South Africa, but also make sure to subscribe to our more detailed reports on our website on amtrends.co.za. Extremely high food and oil prices have caused inflation in America to rise sharply, with interest rates likely to increase soon. It offered a lot of support to the dollar, which also weakened the exchange rate significantly over the weekend to 16 Rand 2 cents per US dollar. The Brent crude oil price did fall slightly over the weekend, with the latest price at $120 per barrel. Higher inflation locally can also keep our interest rates on a general upward trend, something to keep in mind when doing your long-term planning. Looking at the latest price movements in the vegetable industry, potato prices increased by 3% to 45 Rand 60 per 10 kg, with the Class 1 price increasing to 49 Rand 16. This price is 23% lower than a year ago, which is due to 19% higher volumes on the markets at the moment. Expect lower prices this week due to lower demand and higher volumes. The latest tomato price increased by 18% to 10 Rand 75 per kilogram, while the Class 1 tomato price traded higher on 11 Rand 50 per kilogram. This price is 55% higher than last year, which was driven by high demand, but especially volumes that is currently 16% lower than a year ago. We are also expecting lower tomato prices this week. Low demand resulted in carrot prices to decrease by 1% to 3 Rand 74, with the Class 1 carrot price currently on 3 Rand 85. This price is on similar levels compared to last year, but expect prices to continue on a downward trend over the coming week. The latest onion price increased to 5 Rand 66 per kilogram, while the average Class 1 price increased to 5 Rand 78. This price is already 24% higher than last year at the same time, which was mostly driven by higher demand. Expect lower demand this week, however, to put pressure on this price. The latest cabbage price decreased to 3 Rand 9 cents, while the garlic price increased to 59 Rand 99 per kilogram. Spinach prices increased by 15% to 4 Rand 55, while sweet potato prices traded higher on 2 Rand 83. The latest pepper price increased by 10% to 11 Rand 56 per kilogram, while pumpkin prices decreased to 2 Rand 57. Expect all these prices to decrease as demand is likely to stay on a lower level over the coming week. This section was brought to you by Nile Marketplace. Nile connects fresh produce buyers and sellers by providing a platform for direct and secure transactions. Their digital solutions aim to solve issues such as price discovery, quality verification, payments, and traceability. Go check out their website now at Nile.ag. Also make sure to contact Andrew and his excellent team at Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. When looking at the fruit markets, the banana price decreased by 1% to 6 Rand 12 per kilogram, while the Class 1 price decreased to 6 Rand 71. Apple prices increased to 6 Rand 53, with the Class 1 apple price currently on 6 Rand 81. The pear price decreased to 6 Rand 38 per kilogram, with Class 1 pears currently trading on 6 Rand 72. The orange price increased from extremely low levels and is currently trading on 2 Rand 71, which was mostly due to 21% lower volumes reported on the markets last week. Class 1 oranges are currently trading on 3 Rand 7 cents per kilogram. Lemon prices decreased by 10% to 3 Rand 6 cents per kilogram, with Class 1 lemons currently trading on 3 Rand 79. The avo price decreased by 4% last week to 11 Rand 87 per kilogram and can be attributed to lower demand on the markets. The Class 1 avo price is currently trading on 13 Rand 9 cents. We're expecting avo prices to stay on similar levels over the next 3 weeks. Table grape prices decreased by 6% to 29 Rand 89, while Class 1 grapes increased to 40 Rand 5 cents last week. The latest pineapple price decreased to R5.57 per kilogram. Make sure to contact Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag and Halfway Toyota. I'm Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.